Hi guys, I'm Sophie. You guys are in my Stevie kitchen, and today I will be making tteokbokki, which is a Korean traditional dish. I have my parents here with me today. They're all the way in Seoul, but they're gonna help me make the dish today, so that's really exciting. I have all my ingredients in front of me right now. These are rice cakes, cabbage, fish cakes, dumplings, soy sauce. These are condiments from my instant ramen package, and this is hot chili pepper paste. The general steps are going to be making the sauce and then warming up the rice cakes, and then at the end we'll put them together to make the final dish. I do have a general idea of what's going on, but I want to make it the way my mom does it, so I'll be asking for guidance.
재료를 다 커팅은 해놨어?
양배추 같은 거는 다 잘려져 있고 어묵은 아직 커팅은 안 하고 봉지에서만 꺼내놓은 상태고 고추장 뭐 이런 거 계량은 해놓은 상태고 라면 뭐 이런 거 꺼내놨고 육수 만들어놨고 그 정도.
혹시 삶은 달걀을 넣을 생각은 없어?
Classic of me, I forgot to prep one thing, which is the boiled egg. I personally cannot have my tteokbokki without an egg in it, so I'm just gonna quickly take an egg out of my fridge.
일단 고추장, 제일 중요한 거는 고추장이랑 고춧가루, 고추장, 설탕의 비율이거든? 일단 1리터 물이면 3스푼을 넣어봐, 3스푼.
설탕은 이게 한 5숟가락이거든요?
3숟가락 넣어. 거의 고추장이랑 1대1이라고 생각해. 간장 1숟갈만 넣어, 간장.
근데 풀었는데 아직 그냥 물 같은데?
원래 그래.
원래
이게 찐득한 그런 파스타 소스가 되는 게 아니야. 잘 저어. 이 떡볶이를 할 때 되게 중요한 게 하나 있어.
뭔데?
옷에 튀지 마라.
And I'm wearing white, but I'll try to be careful. I'm gonna start boiling my spicy water.
그리고 이제 다 끓을 때까지 기다리는 거밖에 없고 재료는 다 지금 해놓은 거지. 뭐 파 같은 것도 다 썰어놓고.
파는 없어요. 파는 없는데 라면 건더기 스푼은 있어.
그거 넣어 그러면 지금.
넣어야 돼.
채같이 국물이 우러나면 좋은 거는 미리 넣으면 좋거든. 나는 네가 떡볶이를 언제부터 진짜 좋아했는지 모르겠어. 매운 거 못 먹잖아. 근데 너는 그 매운 맛보다는
It's just a street food, so it's very cheap, affordable. A lot of elementary schools have easy access to it. So it's kind of like the first hangout food. It was like the behavioral aspects of wanting to hang out with my friends first that kind of attached me to the dish. And then I gradually also started to appreciate what it tastes like. 이제 육수물은 팔팔 끓고 있어요.
양배추를 일단 먼저 넣어.
Cabbage first. Rice cakes go in next.
아 배고프다.
My pot is about to overflow my pan, so I'm going to change it into a bigger one.
그래 처음부터 저게 좀 작아 보이더라.
아까도 더 걱정됐는데는.
이제 뭐 이거 옮기는 게 뭐가 큰 일이라고 궁시렁 거려요. So I'm just waiting on the rice cakes to kind of cook inside of the sauce, and then once I see that the water is boiling again, I'll put in ramen. I'm gonna wait for the noodles to loosen up a little bit, and then I'll put in my fish cakes and my dumplings, and then I think we can wrap up the cooking part.
이렇게 하면 보일 것 같아서 자꾸 옆으로 내가 이렇게 오는. 오, 괜찮은데?
I'm gonna cut the fish cakes so that it's like bite size, I guess. I'm just gonna put a little bit more sugar in it and add the magic powder. We refer to the ramen powder as the magic powder because it like makes anything taste significantly better. I'm gonna cut the eggs in half and then just put it on top of the already cooked dish so that the eggs can reheat. a lot of people enjoy tteokbokki with like mozzarella cheese or cheddar cheese. We happen to have some in the fridge, so after I put the tteokbokki in the bowls, I'm going to put cheese on top of it. My mom's just constantly worried that I'm going to like get it all over my clothes. Alright, so this is my roommate Jacqueline. Yeah, so we just finished plating everything, so we'll taste it. Okay, I'm gonna try the ramen first because honestly, the ramen is one of my favorite parts of it.
That's so good.
Why is your reaction robotic?
It's delicious. Thank you, Sophie. No, it's really, really good. It's a step up from your usual.
아니?
It's really good. 별로 안 맵고 되게 맛있게 잘 됐어요. I think we succeeded. This is why you have to listen to your mom. She definitely knows what she's doing. 이제 요리 다 했으니까 이제 오늘 촬영은 끝이 난 것 같은데 엄마는 어땠어요? 이런 거 처음 해보잖아요.
재밌었어.
아빠는?
아빠도 아주 재밌었어.
배고파.
배가 고프고.
바이.
바이.
Now I can demolish.
Now I can do
Now I can actually use it.